We have built pledges, registrations, conversations, partnerships and follow-ups. The fundraising dashboard brings all of it together into one live picture. Let me open it. At the top, the whole pipeline in money terms. What donors have pledged, what has actually come in, what is still outstanding, and how much is overdue, all updating on their own as donations are recorded. Below that, the activity we tracked, active grant registrations, live partnerships, and open follow-ups, each a shortcut straight to that list. And a breakdown of pledges by status, so we can see at a glance how much is only promised versus confirmed, part paid or fulfilled. For the detailed view, I open the reports page, which focuses on pledges that are aging or overdue. The same headline figures sit on top, and every report exports to Excel or PDF with one click, ready for a board pack or a funder. Underneath is the pledge aging table, worst first, each donor, what they pledged, received and still owe, the due date and how many days overdue. Every line drills straight through. I click a pledge and land on its full record, with the progress bar and the whole allocation history. And this insight is not just for finance. Every officer with a donation seat sees the same live picture. My colleague Grace signs in with her own account. This is now Grace Bello, see the name at the top right. She opens the same fundraising dashboard. Grace sees exactly the same live figures, the pledges she recorded, the follow-ups turned closed, the registrations, conversations and partnerships the whole team has worked, all pledged, received and outstanding, rolled up in one place. One shared, always current picture of the fundraising effort. One more report matters when gifts come in different currencies. Grace opens the donation reports and the receive tab. Every gift is shown in naira at the top, and for a foreign donation the original amount and the exchange rate use it right beneath the figure. And when Grace downloads the report, the file now carries a column for the exchange rate used and a column for the naira equivalent of every foreign gift, so the download always ties back to the books.